on inside your head? Tell me, am I still the only one? Tell me now, I gotta know. Give it to me nice and slow. Tell me what's been going on these days. 'Cause you and I, we used to be so real, and every day I feel like there was nothing new that I could learn about you way back then. But every time I see you now, feels just like I know you less. One of these days I might not know you at all. And how can I be asked to know all the things that you won't show? How can I be asked of this at all? 'Cause every time that you go fade yourself away, I don't know why that I am left here feeling this way. I don't know why that I am left here at all. I've been changing so much now, while you have been hiding underground. And I have been going my own way, while you have been going your way too. While you have been going someplace new, while you have been going someplace new. Too long. Tell me all the secrets you have left. I won't have a lot to say if you don't have a lot to tell. Tell me all the things you hide away. 'Cause every time that you